dehumidifiers are the same. Drying time cannot be shortened. It is difficult to remove gas during drying. This is incorrect general knowledge about material drying. New solution by pressure breaks with the general knowledge. Pressure unit inside the drying chamber. Misconception 1. All dehumidifiers are the same. Crucial keys of drying. Temperature of air. Speed of air. Dryness of air. Dew point. New knowledge. Pressure of air. By increasing the static pressure inside drying chamber, shorten the drying time. Gas exhaust improves product quality. Rapid dryer achieves unprecedented drying performance. Provide the unique blower structure and pressure monitor for rapid drying and energy saving. Ordinary dehumidifiers need large amounts of air by compressor. Honeycomb rotor regeneration heating. No more need of honeycomb rotor regeneration heating. Therefore, it requires less electricity and saves more energy cost. The difference of electricity cost between the rapid dryer and ordinary dehumidifier. 1/3 of ordinary dehumidifier. Misconception 2. The drying time cannot be shortened. Rapid dryer with the unique rapid drying structure. Sucked air from outside. Dried airflow in high static pressure. Similar to a pressure cooker, the heat transfers more efficiently. Drying time can be reduced up to 50% maximally compared to ordinary dehumidifiers. Comparison of drying results between the rapid dryer and ordinary dehumidifier. Rapid dryer does the same performance, reaching -30 degrees Celsius dew point to a dehumidifier. Wide application use of plastic materials. Misconception 3. The pore molding cannot be reduced. Typical structure of dehumidifier requires circulated air. Ordinary dehumidifiers require the air by circulated drying. Therefore, gas from drying pellets circulates inside the dryer. The longer drying time causes more gas which cannot exhaust shortly. That is the reason of the pore molding. However, the rapid dryer sucks the air from outside and increases pressure. Gas exhaust through heat exchanger to outside after the air inside the chamber circulates internally. Achieve glossy piano black without painting. This product already solves many surface problems with car parts and home appliance fields, such as mold flow mark, weld line, and more. Theory of rapid dryer. As the air sucked from outside is dried, the filter will eliminate the dust and other pollutants by internal cycle. The returned air transfers heat energy to the incoming air and sends it to the rapid dryer. Domestic patent obtained. Pressurize the air through heat exchange and exhaust gas. Structure of rapid dryer. Dry faster by increasing static pressure. The static pressure inside an ordinary dehumidifying drying chamber is around 40 pascals. With rapid dryer, it may increase 10 times and up to 400 pascals. Hot air with high static pressure applies pressure to the pellets. Drying with pressure speeds up the heat penetration and removes moisture and gas quickly. Shorten the drying time. Additionally, the moisture and gas of pellets through the filter are exhausted outside when the pressure's up to the standard. The gas from drying pellets does not cycle internally as ordinary dehumidifier. If you are interested in more details, please contact us.